Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Family Tree app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Family Tree is a genealogy and heritage tracking app designed to help users document their family history in an organized, digital format. The app allows you to build a detailed family tree by adding relatives, photos, dates, stories, and important life events. It helps you visualize lineage clearly across generations and is available on both iOS and Android, with cloud syncing to keep your data accessible across devices. The app's main feature is its tree-building interface. You can create profiles for family members, link relationships, upload images, and record historical information. It also supports collaboration, allowing family members to join in, verify details, and contribute additional memories or corrections. This makes it easier for families to maintain accurate records collectively. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its structured layout, easy navigation, and ability to store family photos and heritage information in one secure location. It's especially useful for people researching ancestry, preserving memories, or passing down history to younger generations. Cloud backup ensures your data stays safe even if you change devices. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version may limit advanced features, certain tools require subscriptions, and users sometimes report syncing delays or occasional data entry errors. Since most information must be entered manually, building a complete family tree can be time-consuming. Additionally, the app's effectiveness depends on the accuracy of the information provided. In summary, the Family Tree app may be worth using if you want a reliable way to document your family history, preserve memories, and visually track lineage across generations. However, if you prefer automated ancestry research or are unwilling to spend time manually entering data, it might not be the most efficient option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.